Hello. I spoke with Dr. Wong like an hour or so ago, and he was able to help me with my Bind server, and I wanted to see if I can help out someone else with a quick video. Also, this just helps me kind of condense all the different steps that I took down to exactly what I was supposed to do to get this to work. Anyway, so this is definitely helping me out just to understand what the steps are to make this server. So I have a list of things here, which I'll go ahead and put on the canvas board as well whenever I post this. But the top three I've already done. I copied over our file to the desktop. I've updated and I installed Vim because I prefer Vim over Nano. So get started here. And here's all the different all the different things that I installed. The last one we won't actually use because that's more for your signed signature part. But you'll have to have that for later on. But first, we want to go into the options here. And go down here. Go ahead and comment out this section, and then we'll go ahead and add in this right here. Now we commented out this right here, the dnssec-validation, because we have dnssec-validation yes, and that is part of the instructions that we have from the DigitalOcean. Then I'm just going to copy that file from my desktop and put it into the var cache bind db, and as I move it, as I copy it, I'm going to change the name to the db.movie.edu. And then we're going to open up Vim again. But this time, instead of the options file, we're going to open up the local. And go down here. And we'll copy in this. Just says which file that's for and everything. And then trying to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yep. Oops. There we go. Then we'll just want to go ahead and start our service. And then we can test our service with this command right here, which is part of that movie file. And we can see that we have gotten an answer with that movie file. Of course, there's further things that you have to do when it comes to signing the movie file, but those instructions are in this file. Just go on to 3, 4, and 5, and of course, whenever you're updating your instructions, you'll want to update the zone instructions when in the named.conf.local file. And of course, there's the file that it will be pointing to, and you'll want to update that with the new signed file. And that is it. Thank you for watching.